The printer is a pretty simple machine at the end of the day. The main thing you're probably going to see from time to time is going to be a material jam. And you can get that in either the metal or ceramic side. And the printer will actually detect this. It's got a sensor built into the print head. It can tell when the filament is not being pushed through the nozzle anymore. And it'll pause the print, and most of the time you can recover your part still. It'll actually step you through a lot of the troubleshooting on the printer interface, but there is a really good Markforged support article as well that I would recommend kind of following along with. But essentially what you're going to do is remove the upper print head cover and replace the upper and lower feed tubes. You're going to remove the nozzle as well in most cases, and you're going to use a purge rod that you stick down through the top and push out any material that's in the way, any sort of debris, get the pathway clear. You'll put on either the same nozzle or a new nozzle, and you should be good to go at that point in probably 99% of cases. So the other thing that you may see is over time your part quality may start to decrease. It especially happens if you have like walls that are concentric with each other and you're starting to see gaps between those walls. In that case, it's most of the time going to be related to your motion system. So you'll want to make sure and come in to lubricate the Z-axis, so the two rails and the lead screw that's in the very back, and then the upper linear rails on the top. And again, there's a support article that'll step you through how to do it. There's a syringe filled with lubricant that comes with the system. And if you're ever curious and you want to double check if this is an issue, there's actually a built-in test print. I think it's called the Shells test print. I'll add it somewhere here, but it'll actually just print concentric rings, and you can take a look at that and have a pretty good idea of whether or not you need to run that maintenance or not.